Take a moment to check out this channel. It's been blowing up lately with an amazing idea. If you take a closer look, you'll see that this TikTok page only has 33 videos, but more than 20 of them have reached at least 2 million views. There's this one video in particular that hit a whopping 30 million views. With TikTok's creativity program, this channel is raking in at least $2,000 a month. Let's crunch some numbers. All these videos are over 1 minute long, so they're all monetized. After tallying up all the views, this channel has about 75 million views. Let's do some simple math. If we take the RPM revenue per 1,000 views as 0.5 USD, which is the amount TikTok pays for every 1,000 views, we're looking at approximately $337,500 as the earnings for this channel. So it's crystal clear that this niche is a golden opportunity. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of making videos just like this. We won't rely heavily on AI tools for creating these videos. Instead, we'll utilize ChatGPT and 11 Labs. This niche is known as the intuition test niche, a sub-niche of psychology. One key reason these videos are going viral is their ability to pique viewers' curiosity, keeping them engaged till the end. This engagement prompts the TikTok algorithm to push these videos to more audiences, increasing their virality. Creating videos for this niche isn't a walk in the park, it requires effort. However, once you get the hang of it, the process becomes much simpler. We need to create several questions for this. For that, let's use ChatGPT. Let's ask like this. Generate 10 intuition test questions. It should be very simple, just like these examples. Is the cat in the picture orange or gray? Which direction is the clock's hour hand pointing? Can you guess which cup contains hot coffee? Now, let's move on to creating voiceovers. 11 Labs offers realistic text-to-speech AI voice generators, eliminating the need for expensive recording equipment. You can even clone your own voice using this platform. Plus, you can monetize your videos using these voices. For this type of video, it's ideal to use both male and female voices. Let's select a suitable one. After exploring various options, we found a more energetic voice that fits perfectly. Now, let's kick off the video with an intriguing statement in intuition test. Don't overthink, trust your gut feeling, and see how the universe will help you. Then, let's proceed to create voiceovers for all the questions we've generated. It's as simple as that. Now, let's dive into the editing process using Canva. You don't need the pro plan for this, the free version works just fine. Log into your Canva account and hit the Create Design button. Search for YouTube Shorts to start. First, we need to create a background template with spiritual vibes. Go to Elements and search for Vintage, choose a suitable background layer and adjust its size. Add vintage elements like butterflies and flowers for a spiritual vibe. Additionally, include a vintage-looking brain image for depth. Once the background template is set, download it as a photo. Then delete all layers and head to Uploads. Upload the background image, increase its duration in the timeline. Add a text layer saying Intuition Test under the brain image, stylizing it with a new font and white color. Upload all voiceovers and drag the first one to the timeline. Add a text layer with the corresponding caption, stylizing it accordingly. Incorporate an hourglass animation for visual appeal. Adjust the timing of all layers to match the voiceover's duration. Apply suitable sliding animations to enhance engagement. Continue adding voiceovers and text layers for each question. Match their timing and incorporate relevant animations, such as boxes and stopwatch graphics. Ensure seamless transitions between questions and answers. Repeat this process for all 10 questions. Once completed, download each clip. With consistent effort, you'll have a captivating video ready to engage your audience in the realm of intuition testing. After creating those clips, the next step is editing and adding sound effects. You can use pixabay.com to download copyright-free sound effects. Let's grab 2 sound effects from there. Once you have all the materials, you can use a video editor like CapCut. It's free and available for both mobile and computer. Start a new project and select the suitable aspect ratio 9:16 for this case. Import all the clips and sound effects into the project. Arrange the video clips in the correct order on the timeline. Then, add sound effects like whoosh when the question appears, a bell ring when the answer appears, and a clock ticking sound when the stopwatch starts. Don't forget to include calm background music, adjusting its volume to match the sound effects. Once everything is in place, you can export the final video.
Intuition test. Don't overthink, trust your gut feeling and see how the universe will help you. Is the object inside this box a fruit or a vegetable? Does the animal behind the door have fur or feathers?
I understand this process may seem a bit challenging at first, but mastering this niche can be incredibly valuable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.